If you're facing verification issues on iCloud due to multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause verification issues. Step 2. Update your device. Make sure your device is running the latest version of its operating system. Go to Settings, then General, and select Software Update to check for any available updates. Step 3. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the @rock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Verify your account information. Log into your Apple ID account page and verify that your account information, including your email address and security questions, is correct and up to date. Step 5. Contact Apple Support. If the issue persists, reach out to Apple Support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further and provide specific guidance based on your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on iCloud. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from Apple Support.